Welcome to SDBtransfer. From now on, SDBtransfer supports you with the digital exchange and archiving of safety datasheets of hazardous substances and mixtures. How does SDBtransfer help you? According to EU legislation on chemicals, as a company of the chemical or building material industry, you are legally obliged to transfer the corresponding safety datasheets to your commercial customers on delivery of chemical products. The information given by the safety datasheet ensures the safe processing of building materials and chemicals on all levels of trade. Although most producers of construction chemicals and building materials create their safety datasheets by using special software, the communication of those datasheets in the supply chain, beginning with the raw material producer down to the processing craft business, can only be forwarded in an analog way, like on paper. Transferring the SDS via a PDF file doesn't really help either. This results in unnecessary high administrative workload and is exceedingly time-consuming for all involved parties. This means safety datasheets are getting more and more complicated and have to be archived for 10 years by everybody in the supply chain. Above all, because a company which up to now wanted to use information out of a safety datasheet had to laboriously seek out this information and then file it in its own company IT system. This is now going to be different, namely a lot easier. Thanks to the SDBtransfer, there is a new electronic standard for the transfer of safety-relevant data in the supply chain of the chemical and construction material industry. Every business in the construction industry needs knowledge about things like the hazard labeling of a product for risk assessment, the hazardous substances inventory, etc. Companies in the chemical industry need additional information like physical or toxicological data in order to, for example, create their own safety data sheets. Companies can easily exchange safety data via an interface in their SDS software. Thanks to SDBtransfer, this data is now available in a standardized format and in machine-readable form. This way, information from the safety datasheets can be exchanged along the whole supply chain in a seamless way. SDBtransfer supports the industry solution communication of hazardous materials in the supply chain of the construction industry. In this SDS pool, safety datasheets are collected centrally and archived for at least 10 years. This simplifies data maintenance enormously. Easy, convenient, service-oriented, SDBtransfer is an important step towards the digitalization of the chemical industry and the construction sector, an integral exchange format which facilitates work today and provides capacity for the innovations of tomorrow. If you have questions, visit our website at sdbtransfer.de.